Okay, so this is the heater. It's still not on. And I thought this was the problem. But then I came over here to dry the garment. And I noticed it hadn't been working, but this is also propane. So I've noticed what they've done is they have turned off the propane here. The hot water still works, so they must be individual units that they turned off. This is supposed to be warm so that my underwear gets dried and my bra and stuff, but it doesn't work. So they've cut off some of the propane to my room. I've reported it like at least half a dozen times in the last month, and nobody's doing anything about it. I don't even know if a report's being made. So, oh shit, what is this? Is this gonna do something? Hold on. What does this do? Doesn't do anything. I'm not messing with it. I'm just turning this thing. I think that little screw right there might let propane out, so I'm not gonna mess with it. This one just has a button on it though. And then there's this thing here, which tells me maybe this is actually it doesn't have scrapes on it. Tells me that might actually be what turns my propane on. So I need to see if they can get some pliers or if I'm able to do it. I don't know. I don't want to use metal because I don't want to start a fire. Let me see what I can find.